Say you add a filter, but it's a little bit too powerful and you want to adjust the strength of it. You can actually adjust the opacity and the blending mode of filters themselves. When you add a filter to a smart object, you have this option down here. See this little button in the bottom right? Double click that. That will open up a new window which has the opacity, so you can just simply drop down the opacity. So it's more of a combination of the filtered image plus the original, or you could also go through and change the blend mode, which can kind of create a super cool effect as well. So this is going to dramatically change what it looks like and what each specific filter looks like. So this is one of those things where you're just going to have to go through, spend some time, play around with it. But I just wanted you to know about this so that you know that you can kind of adjust the look and strength of your filters. The other thing you could do is you can just layer your images on top of each other. So say we undo this. So let's change our blend mode and opacity from vivid light back to 100% opacity and normal. And then if we change this layer itself to vivid light and then 50% opacity, that's completely different. So I just wanted to show you this because it's a great way to control not only the strength but also the look of your filters themselves. Cheers.